Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. I'm Chef Fran, this is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
So today we're going to make an Asian salad. Hence why we have the mandarin oranges and we have noodles, not just any noodles, ramen noodles. Now I know most of you are probably saying ramen, that's not good for you, that's not healthy. But we can make it healthy. One of the things that we can do is take out the seasoning that's loaded with sodium. So all we did actually was just cook it really quickly. I wouldn't say necessarily blanch it, but probably for like what would you say, Ian, 5 to 6 minutes?
5-6 minutes.
We cooked it in chicken broth. As you all know, I love chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you can still do this. Just use some water, some salt and pepper, and throw a little butter in it. A little butter is good for you. Not the margarine. That's not good. That's GMO. And we just steamed some corn, some frozen corn that we had, and we steamed some peas and carrots that came together. And we just steamed that with the corn and we mixed it in here. So that's all we did, so really simple. And what we have here is our dressing that we made, our homemade dressing. And we have our shrimp that we actually cooked in the marinade sauce. And this was a sweet chili marinade sauce that we have. And we did the same thing with our salmon, which also has a sweet chili marinade and has some seafood salmon seasoning on it. And whichever seasoning that you like to your taste, if you're just someone who just likes salt and pepper, then do that, whatever's to your liking. And we have, of course, our romaine lettuce. Here's our vitamin content. I'm going to show you how to assemble your salad. So we have our romaine first. So the goal here is to put your ramen right in the middle. Okay. Ian had a field day, when he was a kid, eating ramen every day.
Yes, for a long period of time there. But I'll tell you, you can, like you're doing now, you can do so many things.
And let's get some shrimp here for you, Ian. Okay. So let's fix your shrimp here. Get some shrimp here, assemble all along your sides.
Yeah.
Okay, and so now here comes a nice decorating part. I'm gonna put your mandarin here.
Okay. It looks invigorating to eat right now. But the anticipation is what I'm looking for, the taste. It really does look very, very, very delicious.
Look at that. Green, orange, yellow, salmon, peachy type of color, all busting through the seam.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna put our wonton. Get your little crunchies on. Who doesn't love a little crunch? I know I do. And a little everything bagel.
Yes.
Seasoning. And here are a list of ingredients. Well, E, look at this beautiful salad, the way it looks, all the bursts of colors here, the orange, with the green that you can see, the light green, and the salmon color or peachy, whatever you want to call it. I can't wait to try this, Ian.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. I gotta put my dressing on.
Well, yeah, that's a good idea. Just right over the top. I like the look of that.
So I want to try to get everything here, obviously in my bite here. Try to get my shrimp, okay, which I have here. A little bit of my ramen. Oh my gosh.
I have to say, your dressing.
This is
phenomenal.
This is super simple to make. Definitely try it at home. you have another way for ramen now.
Yeah.
Besides the packet. Don't do that. You can try another fish if you like another fish, if that's all you have at home. Creativity, guys. It's all about creativity. And please don't forget to give us a virtual hug by clicking the like button. Thank you so much for watching.
Yes.
We love you.
See you once again. Thank you very much.